A dimly lit interrogation room with a metal table and 2 chairs. Officer Rodriguez, a seasoned police detective, sits across from Jack Thompson, a suspect in a recent string of robberies. The atmosphere is tense as the two engage in lengthy conversation.
Mr. Thompson, I hope you understand the gravity of the situation. We've got evidence linking you to the robberies, and eyewitnesses placing you at the scene. It's in your best interest to cooperate.
Evidence and eyewitnesses? Huh. That's cute. I've seen enough crime dramas to know how this works.
This isn't a TV show, Mr. Thompson. This is real life. You're facing some serious charges, and we're here to get to the truth. So, let's start at the beginning. Why don't you tell me your side of the story?
My side? Okay, Officer Drama, let me enlighten you. I've got nothing to do with those robberies. Just because I live in the neighborhood doesn't mean I'm some criminal mastermind.
So, what were you doing near the scene of the crime?
Just minding my own business. Maybe I was grabbing a coffee or something. Is that a crime now?
No, but robbery is. And you just happened to be in the wrong place at the wrong time, huh?
Or maybe you guys are just too lazy to find the real culprit, so you decided to pin it on the guy with a few parking tickets.
We have witnesses, Thompson. People saw you leaving the scene with a bag full of cash.
Witnesses can be mistaken. Maybe they saw someone who looks like me. You ever think of that?
Look, I want to believe you, but the evidence is stacking up against you. Your fingerprints were found on a getaway vehicle.
Oh, come on. I bet my fingerprints are on half the cars in this city. Doesn't mean I stole them.
We also found your DNA on a mask at one of the crime scenes. Care to explain that?
I don't know. Maybe someone set me up. Planted my DNA to frame me.
Why would anyone go to such lengths to frame you?
I've got some enemies. Maybe one of them wants to see me behind bars.
Enemies? Care to elaborate?
Look, it's complicated. I owe some people money, and they don't take kindly to debts. But that doesn't mean I'm robbing banks.
If you're in trouble, we can offer protection. Maybe you can help us catch these guys.
Protection? From the same people who are trying to put me away? No thanks.
Thompson, we're not your enemies here. We're trying to solve a series of serious crimes. If you're innocent, help us prove it.
You want me to be your snitch? Even if I knew something, which I don't, I'm not about to become a target for your convenience.
This isn't about convenience. It's about justice. Innocent people are getting hurt, and we need to stop it.
And I'm supposed to trust you? The same people who are ready to throw me in a cell?
Trust is a two-way street, Thompson. You want us to believe your story, but you're not exactly giving us much to work with.
I've told you everything I know. If you can't find the real criminals, that's not my problem.
Thompson, we can keep you safe, but you need to be straight with us. We've got a job to do, and so do you if you want to clear your name.
I don't know who to trust anymore. It feels like everyone's against me.
We're not against you, Jack. We just want the truth. If you're not the one responsible, help us find who is.
What guarantee do I have that you will protect me? Once I start talking, I become a liability.
I'll do everything in my power to ensure your safety, but you have to work with us. It's the only way.
The conversation continues as Officer Rodriguez and Jack Thompson delve deeper into the details of the case, navigating a delicate dance of trust, suspicion, and the pursuit of justice.